Hey everybody, this is Jetix Railfanner here, and today I'm at Pompano Beach Station on Saturday. It's 6:19 right now, and we are about to witness the arrival of northbound Tri-Rail. Right now I can't see the cab car numbers. I believe this is P696. So here it comes. Alright everybody, I'll see you when the train departs. Alright, as we see P696 departing from Pompano Beach, led by cab car 507. Trailing is BL36PH 827. Okay, so it's about 6:22 that P696 has departed. Alright guys, this is Jetix Railfanner, and I will see you in the next train, or when it arrives. Until then, I'm Jetix Railfanner out. Hey everybody, Jetix Railfanner here. Hey everybody, Jetix Railfanner here. And we're back at Pompano Beach, and this is train number 2 on track 1 at 6:43 p.m. He's a little late. This is Tri-Rail, not sure the number, but I'll look on the board before it departs, which is right in front of me right there. So it's led by BL36PH unit, obviously, and we'll have to see what number that is. So here it comes. Sorry about that, guys. That was my finger. Cab car, or BL36 unit, is 827. Or 823. 827 was just now. This is 823. And this train is, I'm going to move up a little bit. This is train P641. Alright, so I'll see you guys when it departs. Hey everybody, Jetix Railfanner here again. This is actually P685, I was incorrect, but this is still the same train, 823, and now it's departing from Pompano Beach at 6:45. Slowly, but it's going. Okay, it stopped for some reason. Alright guys, so the problem was something on the train, either the locomotive or the coaches, probably something wrong with the coupling. I can't be too sure, but there's obviously a defect in something, because the detector had to have picked it up, because now there's a security guard over here with the actual engine guard and the engineer. Engineer he's actually outside the locomotive on the other side, taking a look at what's wrong with the train. So the train is delayed a lot, and it's not going to be at Cypress for a while. It probably won't be at Cypress at all. It's been sitting here for about 30 minutes now. About 18 minutes. So obviously something's wrong with the train. So they're probably going to have to get it moved, but the next train's going to be here in about 19 minutes, 18 minutes now. So I'm not sure if it's leaving or not, but it's going to probably be delayed a lot. Or it's probably going to be delayed. Unless it's getting ready to go right now. But if it's not, which I don't think. No, I don't think it's going. But if it, the next time action starts to happen, excuse me, or excuse my dad, that was his phone. He was taking a picture of it. But yeah, I'll be here when something happens, like if the train departs or something comes to pick it up. Alright, so now the train is officially leaving, and it's about time too. So now that the brakes are fixed, I believe, the train is on its way out, and it's 7:07 right now. So the train is about 30 minutes late, so it's probably gonna have to hurry up. So 823 cab car, or 823 BL36PH is on its way out. It's going slow because it has to take safety precautions. But now the train is leaving on its way to Cypress Creek Station, and eventually all the way to Miami Airport.
Especially in light of what happens.
And there it goes. Hyundai Roadum 513. Oh, that's new. I haven't seen that before. They have LED billboard on one of the windows saying where the train is on its way to. That's nice.
Looks like he's gonna take it easy.
Alright, well, I'll see you guys when the next train is on its way. So this is JetX Railfanner out. Guys, this is JetX Railfanner, and we're back again. And this is the next tri-rail. This is about 5 minutes after that last train left. It is headed to Mangonia Park northbound. The time is about 7:16. Sweet. Cab car 502. Four cars. BL unit 820. Alright guys, I'll see you when this train departs. This is JetX Railfan out. Alright guys, the train is about to leave. 820 trailing, 502 leading cab car. The time is about 7:18. Alright, so here we go. And it's now departing. Alright guys, so that was the last trial of tonight. I think we'll probably be heading over to Racetrack Road to check out a tri-rail, moving some cars around. Or CSX, I mean. Moving some cars around. So until then, this is JetX Railfanner out, and if this is the end of the video, I'm JetX Railfanner. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey guys, JetX Railfanner here. We're on our way home, but I believe this is an Amtrak. It's an Amtrak. It is. Wow. That was awesome. That was Amtrak. I believe that was P92, if I'm correct. There it goes. On its way to Miami Airport Station. Alright. Well guys, this is Jack's Railfanner. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.